Okay, you're done with Pixamotion and now you have content that no one on YouTube has. Like some people on YouTube, they know about Pixamotion, but they don't know how to use it. They don't know how to implement it in their videos. So now you have content that is the best on YouTube and no one's doing this. So let's get into audio. For audio, we are going to use 11 Labs as I told you before. And I'm on Google right now. I'm going to press 11 Labs. And what this brings you into is the speech synthesis. This is where you're going to be doing most of your work. So at the top here is the narrator. And for us, for history videos, we use Adam. He has deep voice, as it says here. He has deep voice and he commands your attention, honestly. Like if it's informative, Adam commands your information. Anthony, well-rounded. If you want to tell a nice, beautiful story, use Anthony. That is it. These two. Now, voice settings, I would stick to default. Start at default. Just start at default, right? But if it's annoying you, you're not getting the voice you want, go to 75, 75. If you want your narrator to emphasize some stuff, go to 40, 50, and that should be fine. Exaggeration and boost, I wouldn't touch for now. You don't need it. And whatever you wanted to say, just type it in here, generate, it's done. So simple. And Voice Lab, here we can generate our own voices. And as you can see, we have a bunch. We have Batman, we have Gus, Jin, Goku, we have a bunch of people. But what you can do is first, you can design your own voice. Male, female, young, middle-aged, old, American, British, Indian, accent, and it'll even give you a little template. It'll show you what it's gonna sound like, and if you want to use it, you can use it. It's that simple. But you don't want to design a voice. You want to generate a voice of maybe some famous person. Then you use instant voice cloning. All you do, say is Morgan Freeman. All you do is upload like 3 files where Morgan Freeman's speaking, and it'll automatically generate it for you, and you add that to voice. That is it. So you've got beautiful voice. You can generate your own voices, and the thing about this is, right, say for example we get like 10 comments about voice. 9 of them are saying your voice is so beautiful, and like, can you sing? We have literally got comments that say, can you sing? Like, I love your voice. And then maybe one person knows it's AI because they have heard of 11 Labs. The people who haven't heard of 11 Labs, they will never be able to guess it's AI. Never, never, ever. It is that good. And say you just want to test out a few different voices and you want to see if other people have voices. Well, the voice library. Here, there's a bunch. There's thousands. Just scroll. You'll find everything. You'll actually find everything. Coach, great character, storyteller, royal and elegant. It's all type of voices. All you do is just add to Voice Lab, and you go back to speech synthesis, and you just pick whichever one you want. There's so many options. You can generate. You can use the existing ones. These are the 2 good ones, and yeah, that is pretty much it. But one more thing, I want to show you different languages. Say you're here, you're watching this, and you're not English. You want content in Korean, in Japanese, in maybe Hindi. It can be done, and let me show you. Okay, so you're probably hearing foreign languages right now. And this is from the 11 Labs Twitter because our content is only in English. So we haven't tested foreign languages, but they are good. We have seen it, they are good. And but after this, I also want to show you some of our own examples. I want to show you how Goku sounds. I want to show you how Arthur Morgan sounds. And it sounds really
وماذا عن
good.
رقصة صحراوية تحت النجوم؟ وبالطبع حمص وطبق فلافل. はは。そして桜の下での舞踏会に皆さんを招待するのはどうでしょう?
О, так! А ми могли б танцювати під звуки бандури і співати легенди
Oh, sweetie, I have to say, you use that lasso too good.
I told you, it has many uses.
What the hell is that ringtone?
Shh, be quiet. It's Spider-Man calling. Don't say anything. Hello?
Hey, Danny, what's up, girl? It's your boy Spidey here.
Gentlemen, we're here for the grand horse race between Arthur Morgan and Geralt of Rivia. I'll be your impartial referee. Yeehaw! Geralt, get ready to eat my dust. My horse is as fast as a bullet.
We'll see about that, Arthur. Roach and I have trained for moments like these.
On your mark.
Well, what have we got here, boys? A mad scientist in a chemistry t-shirt cooking up trouble in Gotham.
Hey, that was only when I had a tail.
Well, on the positive side, you still know when to wag it.
All right, I have heard enough from you, Kryptonian. I am bringing this place down.